Okay, well, this came as a total shock, and very pleased and happy. This is so cool. iFlight sent me a killer frame, the iFlight XL5 V3 True X Freestyle frame. So, and I've already taken that out and looks, but it comes with the colors of it. I think I never do that or even think about it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do a full-blown build video on this little darling. May even make it a 6S job and get some 1200 or 1700, somewhere in that area, kV motors. They're on 5 or 6S, who knows. I want to try something new anyway, and now I need to buy motors and everything. Okay, I gotta have motors. I think I'll buy you and get the iFlight Ipica, I think they are. Let's see what they've got for low kV motors. They were giving a giveaway away here a couple days ago on some motors and cool stuff, and also I had some motors anyway. Okay, it comes with a full-blown instructions, and I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it, at least for the most part. And I'm gonna put the stickers on first, probably. I'm gonna order the, the electronics, and we'll get her done. Comes with, they claim in the thing there that they're 5.5 millimeter, but here's what I get, if I can show you that. I don't know. Get my word on it. I think it's more like 4, but anyway, that's a good thickness, really. The sandwich plate looks to be 1 millimeter, maybe 1.5. I believe that sandwich plate is 2 millimeter. Yes, it is. These are 1 millimeter. The top and bottom plate. Your feet. So this will probably be a top mount, I guess, kind of like my Galaxy Freestyle. Comes with 2 iFlight straps with some killer stickers. I love stickers. I love stickers. You would never guess, would you? Kind of, I don't know. Anyway. Mode 2. Pretty stickered up. Got GPS, return to home, deal feature, rescue. 2204, 3022 kV, yeah, iFlight Plus series. Alright then, get your stickers. And you got your handy dandy screw pack. All your standoffs, everything. And come with the camera mount. Pap to the bam here with the frame assembled. I just got this cool deal. Wish I kind of would have had a choice, but I'm gonna put it on. I like my carbon fiber, I really do, but I may leave the bottom carbon fiber. We'll see when I'm done though, but so thank you, iFlight, that's awesome. You guys are killer. Killer, no doubt about it. Love it. And we're gonna put it together like here in just a minute, just a snap, gap, crackle, pop right here in just a minute. Got the blueprint and everything, we're gonna go with it. All right, got all the tools. Got all the tools on with the show. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Here we are. I got got it all stickered up. Top plate. Inside and out, I did on it. Bottom plate. And I just did, so far, the tops of the arms. And this one didn't come with a sticker, which that's fine. The stack and everything will be on top of that anyway. And I don't believe I'm gonna put the stickers on the camera mount. I think I'll leave it carbon fiber just for personalization. Pretty cool. Can't wait to see it all together. like the top plate. It's pretty awesome. Coolness. Alright. Screwing it together, and I gotta get some parts on the way. This one may get the split. I've got a split V2. Needs to go somewhere. I went back when she's all bolted up. Looky. Bam! Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. The iFlight XL5 version 3 Truex Freestyle frame. Had to get some components now, huh? They put the stickers on the bottom too. I don't know that I can like just carve it in. It'll get probably scuffed off anyway, so I'll just leave it. Battery pad, nice. And there's the corners on all this carbon fiber. Chamfered real nice and really finished out real good. I put my sandwich plate on the bottom though, because I wanted more room in there. I'm thinking about putting the Runcam Split version 2 in there with a stack if I can fit it. I also thought of making, cutting the standoffs down and getting some shorter standoffs and making it a lowrider style. And just use an all-in-one flight controller ESC, or just two boards of some sort of separate ESCs, I don't know. Gotta ponder on the configuration, but hey, there you go. Wild and mild and crazy and wild there. Don't mind the stickered up frame. iFlight. Yeah, nice frame. Can't wait to get it motored up. And I do believe I'm going to low KV it. Probably 1200, 1750. Somewhere in there. 1700. And a 2306 maybe. Onward. Thanks, iFlight. It's killer. Can't thank you enough. That's awesome. I won't let you down. Turbo when I'm out of here.